Easy on the eyes, did a number on my mind, did with ease enough so I could administer a limelight. Did I mention I placed the pedestal aside, let him levitate despite what was weighing down inside him and inside me? Let the passion roll around, let some other body paint into this one and roam about. Let infatuation fashion magic from a couple sounds, and it lives within even though I'm without. And the best him never would've helped me, and the best me never could've let me be this easy. To love, easy to leave, easy to love, easy to leave, easy come and go as easy as it comes. Carry, cause, and capture. Sometimes something like a storm might felt as frightening thunder underneath all of its sunshine. So the rain rained over me, and this pain made me complete. I still wear his worries, and the best him never would've helped me, and the best me never could've let me be this easy, easy to love, easy to leave, easy to love, easy to leave. Should ever's after even last after the clouds have passed? And do I expect the spectrum's magnitude to be more drastic? With color cover each opening hopelessness is attached to? Or do we dissolve and be the mixture, the solution, and stay involved? Am I to understand that which stands between us will withstand the time and space it took for us to meet, determine where we land, and whether it will be just as easy to leave.